It's gone good, guys. I'm so grateful. It's so beautiful. I will make it. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Mawani, and today I'm going to be updating you guys on my garden. I've uploaded the very first video, my garden video, where I tell you everything I did to grow the garden, from the setting up, the planting, and the growing of the garden. Please, I would like you guys to go and watch that first video. Okay, so this is kind of a continuation video of my garden. Today we are going to be making some harvest. All right, yeah, so I would like you to keep on watching. If you are stomping on this channel for the first time, please, you're welcome. Feel free, relax. On this channel we inspire, we grow, we learn together, we share ideas. Okay, just feel free to join this channel. You're not going to regret it. We are very friendly people here, right? Good, you're very welcome. I'm so happy to have you today. We planted a couple of vegetables on this garden. Planted butter squash, mint, basil. We planted tomatoes, green peppers, potatoes, and couple of them. So today we're going to be harvesting on this garden. The first harvest, the second harvest. So keep on watching this video. Okay, I appreciate you a lot. Please feel free to like, leave a comment, subscribe. Is gardening something that you would do? Do you live in diaspora and you don't know how to start? Just start it. Okay, get your stuff together and start gardening. You don't have to be perfect at all. Just start gardening. That is my mint there. These are my greens, the African spinach that we call it, some potatoes. All right, so keep on watching, guys. I appreciate you a lot.
Mom, I think I see a very, very big one. I see a very, very big one.
Yeah, this is the green pepper, the green bell pepper.
There's the green pepper right there.
That one is already ripe. Oh, the garden, I think the garden is doing well, right?
Yeah.
And this squash, very soon we're gonna be harvesting the squash. We have pretty much, yeah. Okay, can you count it for me, Amarachi? How many seeds did you say?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh,
6.
oh, 6.
Okay, look, it's butter.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy, look, it's on its back.
It's very squash. Butter squash.
Sometimes I will see flowers growing around here.
Harvesting my very first sumptuous garden harvest. Look at those tomatoes. Now let's harvest these tomatoes. Hey, I'm a conquest. I harvest even one. Woo! Oh, this one has already fallen off by itself. Oh, okay. Look at my tomatoes out from my garden. Now there are 4, right? I'm just gonna be careful not to make sure I'm doing this thing right. Woo, got it. Come on, baby. I'm gonna work on this garden, and these ones are coming up to my basil. I think I'll be gathering some of this basil too. Let's go cook, guys. Hey guys, let's pick my peppers together, okay? Oh my god, look at this one. This one has fallen all by itself.
No, I just
I have a lot of pepper here.
Mommy, I just picked it up.
Pick what?
I just picked the green one up.
This season, look at that. Woo. Bountiful harvest, guys.
Wow. Can you see it? It's like it's fall already.
Really?
Oh, I can see one. I can see.
Benetton.
Wow, that one is a very big one.
I think.
Hmm?
Did you see that? I think it's okay.
Oh, it's spreading out dirt. Oh. Mommy, it's me. Oh, dear. I can get one. Here. Wow, there's a baby. Huh? Oh, what is that? Mommy, Chimera picked that green tomato.
This last rain damaged so many things. I don't think I'm ready to pick those ones. Oh, is it the kind of knife that you got? Okay. Oh, okay. That was easy.
That's the smallest one.
Yeah, take it inside, baby. I'm going to also harvest my ugu. This is my ugu. How far this ugu can go, but I'm going to plug all the leaves. Okay, got them. Plugging the leaves. So guys, look at what I got on a particular harvest. Am I not supposed to be proud? Am I not? Of course I am. So here I have butter squash, I have habanero pepper, some green pepper, some tomatoes. We're not lucky with tomatoes this time. And here I have some ugu, the pumpkin leaves. Guys, you see this ugu? Let me tell you a little story. A friend of ours gifted us this ugu, and there were 5 seeds, and it was only one that survived. So you see, it's just a miracle that one was able to survive. I'm so grateful. Okay, so all these vegetables that you guys see now, I just loved it. My kids were so excited about this gardening, and I can tell you that I did it just for them. Sometimes you're not doing this because, oh my goodness, you're going to harvest a lot. You just want to do it for for fun, for your kids to learn. And I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. Woo. I don't want to paste this thing. Can't tell me that. Look at that. This from my garden, guys. These are some accolade now. Fresh tomatoes from Mma's garden. And we're using it to garnish my, just guess guys, guess. But I'll show you in a minute. This is what I'm garnishing my tomatoes with. Oh, wow. Oh, sumptuous. Delicious. Oh, wow. prepare this my banga soup with. Is it fufu or rice? All from my garden. I'm not throwing this away. Look at the leaves. I'll use it and make a delicious side dish, vegetables with some tomatoes and onions. But this, I'm not throwing it away. I'm gonna plant it in my garden and see how it will turn out. Okay, just gonna chuck it in my garden. Come on guys, let's go.
For local jollof rice now, it will make sense.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's what I'm trying. Go to come on,
Only this much.
No one
can
can.